Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Xbox wireless controller with a robot white color. So here in the box, when you purchase a brand new, there is a tape that you need to cut it. Once it is cut, you can open up the box, and inside this box what you get is the controller right here. It also comes with two batteries. So there is 2 AA battery right here, Duracell battery. So let me just open up and see what's on the bottom here. Now there is some instructions that you can use to pair your device, and that's it. So it doesn't look like there is anything else in the box except the controller that comes also with the battery. Now after you have removed the controller from the box, it might not work immediately, so you might need to download an app. So if you go to your Windows computer, you want to download Xbox accessory app from Microsoft Store and install on your Windows computer. After that, you can connect your Xbox controller to your computer with a USB-C cable, and then you can update the controller, and after that you can pair the controller with your computer via Bluetooth. And if you are playing games through Steam, you can then open up Steam and it should recognize your Xbox One controller. Now the controller, there is 2 controllers here. It has a very nice grip, and the trigger is quite sturdy. It is very sturdy, quite a strong mate. With this, the buttons are very punchy. When you press on it, it's click really well, and even the pads right here, it clicks very well as well. At the back here, there is a nice rough texture so that it doesn't get slippery. You can actually hold to your palm like this. Very nice texture at the back. And the size also seems about right. When you hold in your hand, you can just hold it like that and play. If you're playing racing car or fighting games, you can use the controller. It seems the size is just right with this controller. Now it does not have a USB-C cable, so you need to have one cable already available on your computer. And if you open this one up, you can see inside here there is no battery. That's why they supply you with 2 AA battery. You can insert it into here, and it is not a rechargeable. So if you have a rechargeable, you can charge it up and reuse it. Otherwise, you will need to keep buying disposable battery. And yes, so that is everything inside the box. I can imagine this controller works very well with your Windows computer. Now I haven't tested out yet, but here there is also a 3.5 headphone jack right here, and there is also another port right here, HDMI port, for you to connect the controller to. And this is the USB-C port and the pair button at the top here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.